Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Naura Niken Berliana from class 1C, and I'm making this video to fulfill my survival speaking assignment. And so, let's enjoy the video. Oh my god, it's recording right now. I'm so confused right now. I don't know what am I going to have for tomorrow breakfast. Like, I'm too lazy to make breakfast. First, I'm going to search the leftover foods or anything on the fridge. And okay, let's just wait. Oh my gosh, I got them. So these are what I got from the fridge. This is the rolled oats. This is chia seeds. This one is cinnamon powder. And this is banana. And the last one, I'm too shy to show it to you because it's the leftover soy milk that my mom bought me from the traditional market. I'm relieved I still have some foods on the fridge. Guys, I think I have an idea of what I'm going to make for tomorrow breakfast. So I'm going to make an overnight oats. So if you don't know what is an overnight oats is just simply oats that have been soaked overnight with milk. And for the oats, you have to choose the rolled oat one because it will not become mushy and it will come with a perfect texture of an overnight oats. And for the milk, you can substitute the cow milk with soy milk like me, or any other plant-based milk like almond milk, and so on and so on. Okay, let's just make an overnight oats. This is a little heads up before you want to make an overnight oats. Make sure you guys have a fridge to make an overnight oats. And this is the tablespoon to measure the desired amount of oats that you want to have for your overnight oats. And this is the container to store your oats in the fridge. First, place 6 tablespoons of raw oats to the container. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and a little bit of cinnamon powder. Make sure to mix well. Next, pour all of the milk into the container until it is all soaked with milk. And close the container. Let's store them on the fridge. And this is the final look of an overnight oats. Let's try. It's so sweet and cold, and it's so perfect for breakfast. As you guys know, I'm making overnight oats. So the rolled oats that I use is an example of complex carbohydrates. And the complex carbs, they are higher in nutrients and they digest slowly. So it will make you like full longer than if you're eating simple carbs. And that's why using complex carbs is the best decision for breakfast. And that's the video for today. I hope you guys get a new insight from this video, and so you can make your own overnight oats at home by yourself. And thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.